Hey guys, in this video I'd like to show you how to fix the Logitech MX Master II mouse. I've had this mouse for over 3 years and it's worked flawlessly, but recently I had a problem with the cursor being stuck while all the other functions on the mouse still worked fine. After doing some research, I found the problem was caused by the gesture button being stuck, and the solution is quite simple. So let's get started. You'll need a T5 Torx screwdriver, a Phillips 000 screwdriver, and a spudger or a knife to help you lift up some adhesive. To open the mouse, you'll need to remove the 2 Torx screws at the top and the 4 Phillips screws below the protective pad. I only pry the pad enough in order to get to the screws, that way I don't have to remove them completely and add double-sided tape later to put them back on. Once all the screws have been removed, you can gently wiggle the top off of the mouse. Remember to be careful because there is a very small cable that attaches the top and bottom portion of the mouse. Now you will need to loosen these 2 screws by half a turn on the gesture button to remove the tension on the mouse. Once you reassemble your mouse, it should work as good as new. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, and I'll catch you next time. Have a good day.